Hi and welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles. If you could remember, a few weeks ago we unboxed this red Tacoma TRD Pro by GCD, and this one came with the accessories, and in this video we're going to put them into this model. Okay, that was a very good intro, trying a new one. Anyway, last time we unboxed this one, I failed to do a size comparison. And today, we have this, another Tacoma model. This one from Hot Wheels, okay? This is for the size comparison, okay? As you all know, Hot Wheels models are like out of scaled models, but somehow this one is good looking with very big tires and plastic wheels, because this came from the basic mainline model. Anyway, here they are side by side with the GCD Tacoma, and for size, okay, and on the rear, okay, so there you have it. This is the Tacoma from Hot Wheels. I think we're going to do a wheel swap on this one soon, so watch out for it on our Facebook, Instagram pages. You might see this in the future with the new wheels. Anyway, heading back to this model, a very good model from GCD. Okay, well, if you haven't seen our unboxing video, you could check it out here. Okay. And I've shown you guys accessories included with this box. Comes with a red kayak, this extra bed rail, this like cover, like simulates like sort of a tarpaulin cover, and this one, and also this one, okay, and also a roof tent. Okay. Accessories are made out of plastic, very good molding, okay, very good colors. Anyway, I asked you guys what this is, both of these are, okay. Well, I researched and saw some pics on the internet on where we're going to put this. So before that, there is also a picture in the box. Sorry about that. This one. Okay. There's the box. Okay. So there goes the black strap, this one, and the silver like cover, okay, tire cover. Okay, so we're going to put them here. Okay, on the rear tire. One is nice. Okay, slowly place this. Okay, now that we've placed this one, okay, this one sort of came with this stuff here. Okay, I guess we're going to use that one later. And this is the bed rail. Okay, I'm going to put that here at the back, maybe. Okay, that one there. could put the red kayak here. Oh, okay. Okay, that one looks good. Okay, this is the first option to do with this one. Okay, next one is we're going to take the kayak away and put this cover. Okay, this one goes here, like that. Okay, nice one. Another option given to us by GCD. Okay, kind of looks good. And the final option is you're going to put the roof tent. Okay, or rather, this one is not the roof tent, but a rear bed tent. Okay, just put it there. Just place it on the rear bed. Oh, that one looks good. Okay, so we got 3 options for this red Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro by GCD. To put the kayak, to put the bed rail and this sort of tarpaulin cover, and the roof tent. Okay, so this is just a short video just showing the accessories that came with this model from GCD. I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see, and I hope you guys like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing.